What happened at the store last night?
A robbery took place and the cashier was forced to hand over all the cash.
Where were you when the robbery happened?
I was standing near the counter waiting to pay for my groceries.
What did the robber look like?
He was tall, wearing a black hoodie and a mask that covered his face.
How many robbers were involved in the incident?
There were two robbers. One took the money and the other stood by the door.
What time did the robbery occur?
It happened around 10:30 at night when the shop was about to close.
What did the robbers take from the shop?
They took all the cash from the register and some jewelry items from the display.
How did they enter the shop?
They entered through the main door, pretending to be normal customers.
Did the robbers use any weapon?
One of them had a pistol and pointed it at the cashier.
What was the cashier's reaction during the robbery?
The cashier was terrified but cooperated to avoid getting hurt.
Did anyone try to stop the robbers?
No one dared to intervene because everyone was scared of the gun.
How did the robbers escape from the scene?
They ran outside and got into a black car parked near the corner.
Did you notice the car's number plate?
The number plate was partially visible. It started with LEA.
How long did the robbery last?
It lasted for about 5 minutes before they fled.
Were there any customers inside the shop during the robbery?
Yes, 3 customers were present and all of them were frightened.
Did anyone get injured during the incident?
Fortunately, no one was physically harmed.
What did the robbers say during the robbery?
They shouted for everyone to stay quiet and give them the money.
Did you hear their voices clearly?
Yes, one of them had a deep voice with a slight accent.
Did any camera record the robbery?
Yes, the CCTV cameras captured the whole incident.
Has the footage been checked already?
The police have taken the footage for investigation.
Did the robbers touch anything else in the shop?
They touched the cash counter and the jewelry display.
How was the shop owner informed about the robbery?
The cashier called the owner right after the robbers left.
How did the police arrive at the scene?
A nearby witness called the police immediately after hearing the noise.
Who was the first officer to reach the shop?
Officer Malik was the first to arrive and secure the area.
What was the condition of the staff after the incident?
They were in shock and needed time to calm down.
Did the robbers speak to each other during the act?
Yes, they kept telling each other to hurry up.
What color was the car they escaped in?
It was a black sedan with tinted windows.
How did the police start their investigation?
They collected fingerprints, CCTV footage, and witness statements.
Did the police find any evidence at the scene?
Yes, they found a glove that one robber dropped accidentally.
What did the witnesses tell the police?
They described the robber's clothes, height, and escape route.
Did anyone follow the robbers after they escaped?
One man tried to follow but lost them after a few blocks.
How did the police trace the car?
They used nearby surveillance cameras to track its route.
What did the footage from outside show?
It showed the car turning toward the highway soon after the robbery.
Did the robbers leave any clues inside the shop?
Yes, one of them left a shoe print near the counter.
How did the police collect fingerprints?
They used powder and brushes to lift prints from the counter.
Did any fingerprints match the police records?
One print matched a known criminal with a similar record.
What is the name of the main suspect?
The main suspect is identified as Kamran, a local resident.
How did the police find Kamran?
They tracked his mobile location through nearby cell towers.
Did Kamran admit his involvement?
He denied it at first, but later gave some information.
Who was Kamran's partner in crime?
His partner was another man named Faisal who was still missing.
How did the police locate Faisal?
They traced his family house but found he had already fled.
What did the police find in Kamran's house?
They found a black hoodie, a gun, and some stolen jewelry.
How did the police confirm the jewelry belonged to the shop?
The shop owner identified the jewelry pieces with unique tags.
Did Kamran have any criminal record before?
Yes, he was once arrested for a similar robbery case.
What did Kamran say about Faisal's role?
He said Faisal planned the whole robbery and took most of the cash.
How much money was stolen in total?
Around 800,000 rupees were taken from the cash counter.
Did the police recover any of the stolen money?
They recovered half of it from Kamran's apartment.
Where did the rest of the money go?
Faisal took the rest and disappeared after the crime.
Did Faisal have any vehicle registered under his name?
Yes, the getaway car was registered in his cousin's name.
How did the police question Faisal's cousin?
They brought him in for interrogation to gather more details.
What did the cousin reveal to the police?
He said Faisal borrowed the car for one night and never returned it.
Did the police find the car later?
Yes, it was found abandoned near an old warehouse.
What did the police discover inside the car?
They found a mask, gloves, and empty cash bags.
Did the fingerprints in the car match anyone?
They matched Faisal's prints from previous records.
How did the police confirm Faisal's hiding place?
They tracked his phone signal near the city outskirts.
When did the police raid Faisal's hideout?
They raided it early in the morning around 5 a.m.
What happened during the police raid?
Faisal tried to run but was caught after a short chase.
Did Faisal carry any weapon during his arrest?
He had a small pistol, but it wasn't loaded.
How did the police recover the remaining money?
They found it hidden under the floor of his rented house.
What charges were filed against both men?
They were charged with armed robbery, possession of weapons, and theft.
Where are they being held now?
They are both in central jail awaiting trial.
How did the shop owner react after the arrests?
He felt relieved and thankful to the police for their quick action.
Did the media cover the robbery case?
Yes, local news channels reported the entire story.
How did the public react to the case?
People praised the police for solving it so quickly.
What lesson did the shop owner learn from this?
He decided to install stronger security systems in his shop.
How did the other shopkeepers react?
They became more cautious and increased security cameras.
Did the insurance company compensate for the loss?
Yes, the insurance covered part of the stolen amount.
How long did the whole investigation take?
It took about 2 weeks to catch both suspects.